Hey there, I'm Tasha Carter with Compass Real Estate here in Nashville, Tennessee. And today we're in Smyrna and we're touring Briley Downs, one of Smyrna's newest communities. So I'm excited to show you guys what Briley Downs by Dreamfinders Homes has to offer you. Come on, let's go take a look. So did you like what you see in this tour here at Briley Downs in Smyrna, Tennessee? These Homes by Dreamfinders has a home for everyone. So whether you're looking for a 3-bedroom or a 5-bedroom, they've got you covered. So give me a call. We can come take a tour. But guess what? They've also got incentives this month that you might want to take advantage of by April the 30th. So 4.99 interest rate and $10,000 towards closing costs. But don't worry, if you don't close by April the 30th, they also have you covered. They've got $25,000 with flex cash.